Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another interesting makeup tutorial. Now today I created this very simple look with a very bold lip. Now lipstick you can decide as per your needs or your comfort zone. Everybody don't like to wear a red or a berry shade, but then I am, I love reds. So basically this kind of a look is for the people who don't wear too much of makeup but then they want to look fresh and presentable, and it will just be there for the whole day, but you don't have to do many touch-ups on it. So this is the kind of look which I end up wearing when I am attending functions in the morning, because morning I just don't feel like doing too much of makeup or not going too heavy with foundation and a lot of other steps. So how to just give a natural, I would not say it's a natural look, but then going less with makeup and just giving that fresh effect to your face. So generally I do end up doing this if I'm going in the morning. So this you can consider, you go with this look to your office also. You can wear a bold lip to your office. I like wearing, when I used to work I used to wear bold lip. I used to like it. So you can accordingly pair up your lipstick. If you don't like bold lipstick, you can just wear a nude one. So it's a very simple look. You don't need much makeup. So enough of talking. Before that, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It's for free, and every other social handle details will be mentioned in my description, so you can go ahead and follow me. If not all, if you can follow me on Instagram, then you will be updated what all goes on. So that's it. So let's get started. It's a very simple look, so it's very quick. So first I'm going to moisturize my face. I'm using my Innisfree moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer which is a little hydrating, so it works well for morning. Next I'm using my Lakme Blur Perfect primer, because in the morning I like this kind of primer which has a little tint to it. Since I'm not going to go with the foundation, this primer works really well. Next I have taken this concealer. If you don't want to put a concealer also, you can skip this portion, but I like to put a little bit of concealer because in the morning my skin behaves a little weird. So I just put any concealer I like this is one of the concealer I use, and there's a LA Girl one. So these two concealers I use, and I'm just going to blend all over my face and my neck. You can even use your CC cream or a BB cream instead of a concealer. It's not mandatory that you buy a concealer for this look. Next, I'm just going to pat with my hands all over my face. Next, I am going to powder my face. So I'm using my trusty Loreal Matte Magique Press Powder. It's one of the best powders for like on the go. So I just powdered my whole face and my neck. Next I am taking the blush. Now I'm a person who loves putting blush nowadays, and this is the most favorite part of mine. So I will just put a lot of blush all over my face. That's the trick to the whole look. Take a very subtle blush. You can take any peach toned or a pinky tone. So this is more of a supple mauvish pinky tone blush. Next I'm taking my Australis highlighter. Now this is more of a illuminating powder than a highlighter. So it's like an illusion of a highlighter, but it's not a highlighter for me. So what I do, just tap it on my high points of my face. Then with the same brush I will just take a little bit more on my powder brush, and then just pat it all over my face. So it gives that instant glow to my whole face. So you can use it on your whole face. It's not mandatory to use it only on your high points of the face. And my nose, how can I forget that? Next, jump onto the eyes. So I am going to do my brows. So you can fill in your brows the way you want to. I don't go for a very intense brow in the morning, but I would just like to fill in my brows. So I'm just filling in my brows. Next, I'm taking this my favorite Sivanna colors palette. This is a brown palette. I'm just taking a simple brown matte shade which has a little gray tones to it and just putting all over my lid and then blending it. You don't need much shades for this. Even you can skip this part if you don't want to use it. But I just like to give a little dimension to my eye. Next, jumping straight to my kajal. So I'm going to put any kajal. So I'm putting this Colorbar mesmereyes kajal, one of my favorites again. And I'm going to do my lower lash line also with the kajal just to give a little awakening look to my eye. Because your eyes will look bigger and wider. So eyes are done. Let's move on to the mascara. So I'm using my Faces Magneteyes mascara for this look. I forgot that I have this mascara also. So now I've started using this one. So this one is also a very good mascara for morning. So I am using this one today for a change. Next, I was confused between two lipsticks. So this one is Creeper and the second one is More Better. So Creeper is more of a brighter red. So I will first apply the red one and then on top of it I will go with More Better, just to give a little more intense or a little deepening effect to the red, and the both combinations are really good. So as you can see, the whole face is done and this is how it looks. It turned to be really good. I really loved this look. This is my go-to morning look. If I want to go for a gathering, this gives me a fresh look. So guys, that was the whole makeup tutorial, how you can get this look. It's a very simple thing. It's only one or two things I just would like to mention. I didn't use a bronzer because I don't like using bronzers in the morning because my skin is very different in the morning. And then you can replace concealer with a BB or a CC cream. That will also work well with your skin. But I went in with two different kind of concealers because one is a little lighter, one is a little deeper, so it will just mingle into my skin and it will just give a highlight and a little coverage to my skin. So that's the only thing. And lipstick, if you don't like bold lipsticks, you can go ahead with your nude ones. That will also complement. So that's the only thing. And this look, you can definitely wear it in day, morning, night also you can wear it if you're a person who don't like too much of makeup on her face. So this one is the best. Like, this is like my go-to makeup, fast, quick. I don't have to think too much. So I hope you loved watching. Please give a like if you liked it, and do comment because I love reading your comments and it really makes a difference. And that's it, girls. Just take care of yourself, be happy, and bye bye.